I got at coronavirus a day 452, and just due to risk and possible wave 4, please do not have any gathering above the 5 people right now until Friday. Today's coronavirus case is at 525. So this is actually the new lowest right now. Sorry, I was hungry. So today's case is so 114 is from Toronto, 95 is from Peel Region, 51 is from Waterloo Region, and 40 is from Durham Region. All other regions are reported under 40 cases, and the death toll, the number of deaths today is 15. That's So York Region was not on this list today. Surprising. Okay. Variants. Okay. I'm still trying to adjust to the new nicknames thing by WHO made as Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta. So, anyways, UK variants is at 132,696. Our biggest threat still at plus 705 now. South African variant is at 1,097 plus 21. Brazilian variant is at 3,979, our second highest threat. Plus 239, and the Indian double-mutant variant, which is nicknamed the Delta variant. The last number revealed was that 97 from Peel Region by Dr. Lawrence Lowe, the medical officer of Peel Region, and Dr. Peter Juni. And apparently, that might be the new variant that might outnumber, be the new major case if it ain't gonna get taken care of. And Peel Region is way up here, and the rest of Ontario is like way down here, like 3 weeks difference. Apparently, what Dr. Lawrence Lowe and Dr. Peter Juni have told us. So yeah, there's that. So vaccine, you can sign up. It's 12 plus 12 and up, and you can pre-book for your second shot for if you were 70 plus. No, you know, through the website covid19.ontario.ca/book vaccine. By phone 1-888-999-6488. At a pharmacy, you'll have to wait. Local health units for use 12 to 17. They can do it at special dedication youth and family clinics as well. And especially on Tuesdays at pop-up clinics, mobile clinics, and walk-in appointments on Tuesday. So youth not age 12 can book at 1-833-943-3900 or through public health units. So, new updates. So the Ontario government has announced the three-stage plan now will not start on Monday, June 14th. It will start on let's look at it. Friday, June 11th. So, what is going to happen is phase one. It's going to start. Was set to begin as soon as 60%. Apparently, switched the number from 80% to 60% now. Eligible Ontario adults who have received their first coronavirus vaccine doses. The Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, Moderna vaccine, and AstraZeneca vaccine. Those three. So starting up. So what's going to happen? I'm just looking at it right now. So so outdoor gatherings will be up with a maximum 10 people outside, mixed. You can do it from other So as long as you keep the number under 10, that is fine. So patios seating will be four people per table outside for restaurants if they are doing that option. So retail is 20 for essential business is 25% capacity for essential businesses and 15% for non-essential businesses. Outdoor religious ceremonies and rites with capacity limits and physical distancing is in effect 2 meters. Outdoor sports and training is only for 10 people maximum. Day camps, campgrounds, Ontario parks, horse racing, speedway, the outdoor parks, zoos, and splash pads are open to run. So 3 weeks later, the earliest date that if things go right, the earliest we can do it is starting July 2nd. Apparently, yeah. So 70% of eligible people getting 70% of getting their first shot. 20% of all residents getting their eligible getting their second shot, like the ones who got it first, they will get their second shot, and the 3 weeks must pass. So phase 2, outdoor gatherings with 25% max. Indoor gatherings is 5% maximum. So this is right about the first week of July. And keep it. Outdoor patio table that is seating is up to 6. Non-essential retail is at 25%. The same percentage and essential businesses. Same. Personal care places will open with masks on at all times. So like haircutters, finally you can get your haircut if you're waiting. So outdoor meeting and event spaces, amusement parks, water parks, boat tours, county fairs, sports leagues and events, cinemas and art venues will be open, with of course the coronavirus regulations in effect. So of course 3 weeks must pass. This was probably just some will be sometime the last few weeks July or in first week of August maybe, if things go well. So if 80% of residents getting the first shot, and 25% getting their second shot. And it larger and indoor and outdoor gatherings are allowed. They will give the number. That will be announced soon. I don't know, sometime around the time when it might start. So indoor dining is allowed. Greater expansion of capacity for retail or indoor, so essential and non-essential. So yep. Larger indoor village, just service rites and ceremonies. Indoor meetings and event spaces. Indoor sports and recreation and facilities are open to run. So indoor seated events, attractions, and cultural amenities are allowed to open. Casinos and bingo halls will be finally open, and outdoor phase 2 activities will be allowed to operate indoors. So that's good news. So however official that will be reviewing so East Region, so if they will be allowed to move on to the next region, or they will be still stuck until until it's okay to do so. So some might get in earlier, starting July 2nd. Some might get in a bit later. So there's that situation. So they need health officials, health units, they need to approve. So for each unit, for each region, if they can move from step 1 to 2, this is phase 1 to 2, phase 2 to 3, and yeah. So currently, still the present day period that before phase 1 officially starts is still in effect. So just a reminder, enforcement officers have the authority to break up gatherings of more than 5 if people break the rules. The fine still $750, $880. Multiple people from to write checks if they're still operating. $1,000 for preventing others from following orders. 10,000 for those who organized and planned the gathering, and $1 million is severe and possibly jail time. So hospitalizations is 547. Which is literally just 2 high plus 2 higher 497 ICU patients, minus 13 better, and 339 ICU patients using a ventilator, minus 5. So this is lower than and slowly going down. So that's improving. So there is no long-term care home death reports again. This is concerning. Not this time. So here's the last number. So please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations, and it's still that ruled up. Now we have to call it here. That's the time between before phase 1 starts. So please follow those altered regulations. It is sort of less than stay-at-home rules. So yeah, and stay at home rules. So phase 1 starts Friday now. Friday, 12:01 a.m. I got the rules down below for you. Stay safe. Sign up for vaccination if you haven't, because it's also like a certain checkpoint for a region that if people haven't got their vaccine shot, stay safe.